guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook you Xiang eggplant, loved by most people. Hope you like it. This dish is appetizing and goes well with rice. Do save this recipe and cook it for your family, yeah. Use Xiang eggplant. Ingredients: eggplant, meat paste, ginger, chilies, spring onion, tauchu paste. Wash and cut eggplant into sections. Cover baking plate with aluminum foil. Drizzle with cooking oil and arrange eggplant on top. I like to roast eggplant in the oven or air fryer, which is less greasy and easier than frying. 200 degree 20 minutes. Eggplant is done, remove from oven and set aside. Wash spring onion and diced. Place onion white and onion green separately. Cubes ginger. Cubes chilies. Prepare seasoning sauce. Add water and mix well. Stir-fry onion white, chopped ginger and chilies. Add meat paste. 1 tablespoon Tao sauce. Add eggplant. Pour seasoning sauce. Add dark soy sauce to add color. Eggplant is done, let's plate it. Wow, smells so good. Garnish with spring onion. Let's eat. Yummy. Optional to add chilies for the dish, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.